Computers display information by converting data into visual formats that user can understand and interact with. This involves several key components and process. First point, data processing. When you input data into a computer, it's processed by the CPU, Central Processing Unit. The CPU takes raw data and performs calculations, logic operations, or transformations, converting it into a format that can be visually represented. Second point, graphics rendering. The processed data is sent to the GPU, Graphic Processing Unit, or the CPU's integrated graphics, where it's transformed into visual images, text, or other graphics. The GPU handles complex graphic calculations and rendering tasks, which are especially crucial for tasks like gaming or 3D modeling. Third point, display output. The rendered graphics are sent to the computer's display, typically a monitor. The monitor is composed of pixels, small dots that emit light, which change colors from image. The resolutions of a display, example 9020 by 1080, indicates how many pixels are used to create the image, with higher resolutions providing more detail. Fourth point, user interface (UI). The operating systems and applications use the rendered graphics to create a user interface, which is the environment user interact with. The UI includes elements like window, icon, menus, and buttons, enabling user to give commands to the computer and receive feedback visually. Fifth point is color representations. Information on the screen is displayed using a combination of color. These colors are usually representing in RGB format, where each pixel combines red, green, and blue light in various intensities to produce the full spectrum of colors visible on the screen. Sixth point, refresh rate and frame rate. The screen refreshes multiple times per second to display the latest visual data. The refresh rate, measured in hertz, indicate how many times per second the screen updates, while the frame rate measured in FPS show how many frames of animations or videos are displayed per second. Higher rate provides smoother visual. Seventh point is display technologies. Different technologies like LCD, LED, OLED, and other are used in monitors to display information. Each technology has its own way of lighting up pixels and displaying images, affecting factors like color accuracy, brightness, and power consumptions. Together, these elements allow computers to convert binary data into meaningful and attractive visuals on screen, enabling users to perform tasks, interact with applications, and consume digital content. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content like this.